Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So what's going on in this video? Y'all already see it's gonna be a makeup tutorial, but we're gonna talk about that a little later. So first thing, I want to let you guys know that I have a giveaway for you guys. Yes, another giveaway. So for this giveaway, I am partnering with a company called FORMULATE. Hold on, let me show you what it is. Okay, so this company, they create personalized shampoo and conditioners, all formulated to your hair needs. And now I really love this company so much for choosing me to partner with them, because for one, I am always on the hunt for shampoos and conditioners that can give me what I need. So when they reached out to me and let me know that they do like customized shampoo and conditioners, I was like, yes, like, let me see what they really about. Let me see what's popping. Let me see what I can do. When you go onto the FORMULATE website, what you will actually have to do is it will take you through this whole questionnaire about your current hair state and then the goals that you want your hair to have at the end when you're done using their shampoo and conditioner. So I took the little, quiz, and I gave them, true facts about my hair. So I'll just give you guys the rundown based off of my hair needs and what I did for myself. So of course my hair is very coarse. That means it's super thick. My hair gets dry, it gets a little kinky. Right now it's shoulder length, and then it gets tight and itchy from time to time because I tend to wear a lot of protective styles, so my hair can get really itchy. Now my goal for my hair is to help with containing the frizz, manageability. I want glossier hair, hydration, and then of course I want it to get a little bit longer, So I was just so blown away when I tried their products because it was just dead and spot on. Oh, also for the scent, mine smells like Shoreline, so you can also choose how you want your shampoo and conditioner to smell. So the giveaway is super simple. All you gotta do is follow the link in my description box, click it, enter the whatever they ask for. Usually it's just a name and an email. The giveaway closes May 16th. Let's get into this makeup tutorial. So this makeup tutorial is really just super simple. I mean, it's really not nothing over the top. I just wanted to do something really soft, a little bit more on the orangey side, because I noticed lately that I have just been wearing a lot of naturally like orangey makeup, if that makes any sense at all. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do something orangey, brown, and matte. That sounds like a plan. So that's what I did. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking so we can go ahead and get into this tutorial. Make sure you guys, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and then follow me on all my social media platforms. Let's go ahead and let's get into this video. Bye guys. Okay, so y'all already know how I like to do. I just like to jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my p.louise base in rumour, y'all already know, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyelids. Make sure you soften the outer corner and inner corner, so when you do your eyeshadow and your foundation, everything just blends seamlessly. I did use a beauty blender to, of course, apply this base. You can use a brush, a flat brush, a Real Technique sponge. You can use whatever works for you to get the job done, as long as you get it simple. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to take this color called Universal, and this is going to be my little transition shade, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a brush to blend this into my crease area. You really want to make sure when you lay that first shade down that it's perfect, super blended, because it sets the tone for the entire look, sis. Make sure. Okay, so the next shade we're going to take is Orb, and I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to focus this really just in my crease. The smaller brushes, they do the work for you, like they do the blending for you. Okay, you can't use one brush for an entire look, so using smaller brushes gives you more detail. All right, so then next I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to reach for this color called Spice, and I'm going to start to slowly tap this into my crease. Like I'm doing this really like tapping motion, like you guys can see, like I'm really just controlling where the color goes, and I do a slow build. Okay, then next I'm going to take this color called Fawn. I'm going to tap this on the outer corner of my eye. Now when I was applying this color, I noticed that it was not coming off as deep and rich, as luscious as I wanted it to, so I know I was gonna have to use a darker color, but it's cool though. So before I lay down the darker shade, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to be using the same p.louise base in Rumour, and just go ahead and take your time when you're doing this. I like to rotate between a big flat brush and then like a smaller detailer brush. It's just the way that works for me, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about trying like a new brush or something. If you guys could have some suggestions, you know, let your girl know. Don't be keeping all the secrets, you know, let me know. But this is just the way I usually do. I usually lay down a nice amount of product, then I sharpen it, and then I take a clean brush and I pat it dry, just taking up the remainder of that product. Then I'm going to go on to this color called Rich, and it's a really super rich chocolatey brown, like our chocolate sisters. And I'm just going to pat this on my outer corner, and then once I'm done like blending it and patting it, you're going to see me take a really fine detail brush. It should be coming up like any moment. Now there you go. I'm using this very small detail brush to really get that color into my crease without making it mesh into the rest of the tones I got. Like you guys, detail brushes, they will get you those detailed looks that y'all see on the gram. You have to take a lot of time to do that. All right, so next I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Naked palette, and I think this is the color Naked. It is a matte as well. I just felt like doing a matte eye, you know. I just want to get away from the shimmer and the glitter for a little second, you know. So I decided to just pat this on my lid. And yeah, like I feel like when you do matte eyes, you gotta do a wing. So I'm gonna end up doing like a small wing or something. And then after that, I'm just gonna go back in, check it out. It needs a little bit more blending. And then I'm just blending those colors in together. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this NYX black gel liner, and I'm just going to do a nice fat line across my top eye. I was going to do a wing, but I changed my mind. I want to do something, you know, a little bit more sleek. I was going somewhere too, so I'm like, let me not do too much. And then I'm just going to go over the top and just blend it out using that very first shade Universal to make everything, like, you know, just look seamless. All right, okay, so next we gotta make sure the skincare is on point. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown hydrating eye cream, and I'm also you guys, this helps with like plumping, firming. It has caffeine in it. It's like really awesome. Then I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown hydrating face cream. This has like mineral water, sunflower oil. It's just really great for the skin, girl. Like, skincare is everything. And then I'm gonna take my Estee Lauder mattifying primer. Okay, so if you're a girl like me, my T-zone gets really oily, okay, really oily, so I have to use something that's super mattifying in my T-zone, and this just did it for me. Now next I'm going to use this drugstore foundation. I know you guys have probably heard of it. This is the Milani foundation. I think it's in the color tan. If I'm wrong, it'll be in the description box. You already know. And it's like a 2-in-1, plus your concealer and foundation built into one. But we're still gonna use a concealer, girl. Bye. We're still gonna use a concealer, of course, but it's full coverage. So you know I love a full coverage beat down. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna do that. So next I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop concealer. I believe this is the color medium 34, and it's supposed to be a mattifying concealer. Now when it went on really creamy, really rich. I really just love how it glided onto my skin, so I was really impressed. Okay, I was impressed for this little $6.50. I was impressed. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead with my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend it in. Blend like your life depend on it. Okay, and as you can see, it does look like way lighter, but I love to do mine 2 shades lighter, not 1 shade. Maybe 1 shade when I want to be natural or something, but this ain't the day, girl. I want to be like extra, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend like my life depends on it. Like okay, you guys, little short story real quick. I was watching Scott Barnes do Tati's makeup on YouTube. When I say he used so much product on her and she turned out flawless, it was like ridiculous how much product he used on her, and I was like, wow, I was blown away, simply impressed. Okay, So after we did that, I'm going to take my Fenty press powder and I'm going to use that same beauty blender, and I am pressing this into my skin. Okay, key right here, ladies. I am pressing this into my skin. I'm not swiping it. I'm not like pounding it. I'm just like doing these light little pressing motions, and I'm making sure that I keep my under eye like really wide to keep it from falling into my creases. Like, don't you hate when you're concealing creases under your eyes? Like, I die when my concealer creases under my eyes. So make sure you're really patting this into your skin. Okay, all right, so next I'm just gonna quickly take a setting powder. It really doesn't matter what setting powder you use. I don't even know which one this is I'm using. I don't even know, but I'm just gonna set my perimeter of my face. I'm gonna set everything except of course where you put your Fenty pressed powder. So next we're going to start contouring, and I'm going to use my Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette in light medium, and I'm going to take the middle shade, and there's like 2 contour shades. I like to use like the lighter one and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this into my cheekbones. And once I laid those cheekbones down, I go in with a fluffy blending brush and I just start to blend out, of course, my cheekbones, and I also fluff it around my perimeter. I do not like using like tight bristle brushes for like really big areas. You have to make sure it's super blown out. I need it to be really, really soft. Okay, it needs to be soft, girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my brush to do that. Girl, I need to actually get some new brushes. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I need to get some new ones. So after that, I'm gonna take this Urban Decay blush in video. You guys know I love this blush. It just literally just goes with everything, and just apply it to those cheekbones. Now you girls, we're not gonna be using highlighter today. We're gonna be skipping the highlighter because you don't need to always have highlighter on your skin. Okay, a matte face, ain't nothing wrong with it. All right, so next I'm gonna pop on these lashes. These are the Lash Couture in Gala, I believe. These lashes are nothing like, they're like $6-7 and they look so good and they look so expensive. Like, I really love these lashes, and yeah, they have like tons of styles. So if you guys are looking for like some cheap lashes, then these are it. So yeah, just go ahead and make sure you press those in, make sure they're sticking in those corners, because you don't want anything lifting throughout the day. Trust me, I know, I've experienced it all when it comes to makeup, and lashes lifting is just, it's something that happens, something that can't really be avoided at times, especially when you're rushing. Make sure you want to give yourself time if you want your lashes to be sticking throughout the day. Okay, so next I'm going to use my Urban Decay lip liner in Nighthawk. Girl, I'm sorry, I lied. It's Liar. the liner is called Liar, so that's what I'm using. I'm just going to line my lips and do. And then after that, I'm going to use this lipstick called Bun. I just took 1 swipe across my lip, or 2, and blended it in. And I'm going to top it off with this Morphe lip gloss in Freebird. Oh my god, I love this gloss so much. I literally wear this gloss alone on top of stuff. Like, it just looks like it's like the perfect nudie color. I love it. All right, then finally I'm just going to put on some bottom lash mascara. I did put on top lash mascara, but that should be common sense. All right, you guys, so that's it for this tutorial. Hope you guys love it. Make sure you enter the giveaway with the link in my description box below, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.